Welcome back to our continuing series, Employers Are Asking. Hi, my name is Erin Albert. I'm a registered pharmacist and Kinetiq Health Pharmacy Benefits Practice Lead here at Apex Benefits. One of the questions that hit my inbox recently, despite Indiana recent weather, is spring cleaning and how we may dispose of our unwanted or out-of-date prescription medications. Actually, this weekend on April 24th, 2021, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., the Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA, is holding its biannual Drug Takeback Day. What's really cool about this is you can go into their search engine, and we'll give you the link. You can plug in by zip code to find the closest return facility to your house. So what you can do is clean out that medicine cabinet, take everything out that's out of date, search by zip code on the DEA website, and return the drugs to the DEA facility. It's just that simple. What's great about it is that it's a win for the environment because DEA safely incinerates the medications. It's a win for you because you have dangerous or unwanted medications out of your medicine cabinet. And it's a win for all of us, particularly with controlled substance abuse still happening and removing that liability altogether. So clean out those medicine cabinets this weekend, and from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., return them to DEA's Drug Takeback Day. Happy spring cleaning.